What is the most potent greenhouse gas evaluated? Oh, another unfamiliar question ito. What is the most potent greenhouse gas evaluated? What do we mean by potent here? Siya yung pinaka nakakasira sa ating atmosphere, 'di ba? Most potent, sino diyan? Si sulfur hexafluoride, si carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, or si methane. The most potent greenhouse gas evaluated, this is the sulfur hexafluoride. Si sulfur hexafluoride, meron siyang GWP of 23,500. Ano yung GWP natin? Yan yung global warming potential. Okay? Global warming potential. Meaning to say, itong global warming potential, ito yung parang rubrics. Okay? Ito yung rubrics para ma-compare natin yung mga impacts with different gases.